Good afternoon, welcome to TMI Truck in Norfolk, Virginia. This is one of our Isuzu NPR HD gas, 14,005 GVW, 14-foot, what we consider a foundation body. It's really a work truck, an expensive one. You've got this full width step bumper on the back that already has a trailer receiver hitch and electric brake controls. You have a 14-foot pull-out aluminum ramp leading into a 14-foot drive-in body that you can put shelves or whatnot on. The sides are reinforced to prevent damage from cargo or equipment. A lot of people use this if they have a lot of heavy equipment they move in and out on a daily basis for their jobs and their crews. Again, with this bumper, if you wanted to go ahead and mount a vise or something back here, you got plenty of room to do it. So it could be used by a plumber, carpenter, crew cab, 6-person cab. Already has seat protectors in here, so you can take those out and wash those. Power windows, power door locks, automatic transmission, GM gas engine. Give us a call at 757-547-7151 or look us up on the web at www.tmitruck.com. Thank you.